Fresh ingredients begin their journey at first light. Every batch is gathered with care and intent. Movement turns harvest into momentum. Supporting ingredients join the flow. Flavor starts with disciplined selection. Structure depends on the right foundation. Crispness begins with purity. Separate elements align into one system.
Seals match, all secure. Good, approving now. Trucks backing in.
The journey advances without pause. Stability protects quality.
Clear to go!
Departure sets the pace. Distance compresses into purpose. The destination comes into focus. Entry is seamless by design. Raw materials meet their next phase. Positioning prepares transformation. The process is ready to begin. Arrival transitions into controlled movement. Handling begins with measured force. Boundaries dissolve into workflow. Order maintains momentum.
Vegetables to green, spices to red, grains to yellow, oil to blue.
Freshness advances under steel. Flavor is guarded in transit. Structure moves toward scale. Consistency is protected at every step. Verification clears the path forward. Data locks accuracy in place. Manual effort hands off to systems. Balance between human and machine holds firm. Cleansing is imminent. Protection preserves character. Elevation prepares supply. Flow is about to begin.
Valve ready.
Scale defines what happens next. Entry marks commitment to process. Outside gives way to control. Every step is designed. Preparation begins behind steel. Infrastructure supports every action. Motion is constant here. Readiness is verified, not assumed. Cleanliness is engineered. Raw form meets refinement. Transformation starts with cleansing.
Flow looks uneven. Adjusting the valve. Confirmed. Pattern is stabilizing.
Oversight maintains standards. Purity is revealed through motion. Waste is managed, not ignored. Preparation advances smoothly. One stage hands off to the next. Precision awaits its moment. Precision is set in motion. Uniformity protects consistency. And clean cuts define quality. Standards are confirmed in real time. Components converge with intent. Separation sharpens purity. Technology confirms the obvious. Human judgment completes the loop. Nothing is wasted without purpose. Final cleansing refines the surface. Balance is restored before heat. Measurement anchors repeatability. Pace is controlled, not rushed. Flavor waits ahead. Timing keeps character intact. Readiness precedes action. Clean lines protect outcomes. Clean lines protect outcomes. The core comes together here. Flavor is added with restraint. Texture is engineered, not guessed. Motion creates balance. Heat awakens aroma. Integration reaches uniformity. Time defines precision. The filling takes form. Consistency is preserved in motion. Control replaces intensity. Stability is verified continuously. Readiness replaces heat. Supply waits patiently. Structure meets substance. Timing locks the process. Assembly is imminent. The samosa begins to take shape. Shape defines the vessel. Balance is portioned, not poured. Adhesion begins quietly. Adhesion begins quietly. Tradition meets engineering. Integrity is secured here. Assurance is automated. Efficiency leaves no waste. Form is allowed to settle. Readiness is staged. Heat awaits its role. Transformation accelerates. Change is measured. Order persists under heat. Oversight never leaves. Crispness is earned. Balance is restored again. Finish begins immediately. The core transformation is complete. Stability prepares precision. Automation stands ready. Precision replaces repetition. Accuracy is cumulative. Visibility enables certainty. Consistency proves control. Accuracy avoids interruption. Balance is confirmed again. Numbers maintain order. Flow adapts without pause. Readiness is proven. Humans remain present. Order compounds efficiency. Momentum continues forward. Awareness prevents failure. Complexity resolves into simplicity. Finishing steps are ready. Precision begins the final stretch. Protection takes shape invisibly. Containment is controlled. Integrity is locked in. Rhythm defines output. Stability follows heat. Accountability is continuous. Balance is preserved. Order simplifies handling. Structure forms instantly. Quantity meets control. Protection scales up. Accuracy compounds trust. Flow is managed calmly. Scale prepares to move. Completion draws near. Order begins at the base. Stability is engineered upward. Volume takes its final form. Protection seals the effort. Integrity holds everything together. Identity scales to shipment. Movement resumes at scale. Space absorbs output. Inventory finds its place. Conditions protect quality.
Trust is verified physically.
Science confirms consistency. Analysis begins calmly. Crispness is measured. Balance is quantified. Safety is never assumed. Confirmation completes assurance. Quality clears the path. Approval turns stillness into motion. Dispatch organizes the final flow. Accuracy precedes departure. Distance narrows to minutes. Interfaces meet by design. Volume finds its vehicle.
Tension's good here.
Stability protects the journey. Control extends beyond the gate. Completion moves outward. The system releases its product. The process reaches the world. The result stands ready. Scale reflects discipline.
Delivery completes the cycle. And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.